The online safeguarding self-assessment tool can be accessed from our website. That's developed for any organisation who would like to self-assess their own safeguarding measures against government guidance. So it's based on government guidance working together to safeguard children. And what you do is you go onto the initial toolkit. There is a whole resource kit that you can actually download and print off. It takes you through section by section, and at each section it will give you a checklist, and you need to be thinking about whether you've got those things in place in your organisation. If you're not sure, there's lots and lots of tools, there's templates, there's resources to download. And also, if you go through the tool for several different criteria and you need to stop and come back to it, you can actually send yourself a unique URL so you haven't got to return to the beginning. At the end of the tool, it'll actually print you off an action plan, and that'll help you in your safeguarding journey going forward.